If you're a chaser of flavour and you want to know how to make pasta from scratch without a machine, with your bare hands, ravioli, tagliatelle and tortellinis, you've come to the right place. Flavour Station, baby. Keep it locked. Bow.
Flava Station. Flava Station.
Alright then, first things first, you're going to need a scale, birther bowl, big ting. You're going to need some plain flour, 300 grams of plain flour. This is a really simple recipe. Little bit of salt, few turns, couple pinches, something like that. Next, you're going to like this video because you're an absolute legend and it helps us. And you lot are just sick. Then you need 2 eggs and 1 egg yolk. So that's 3 egg yolks, 2 eggs total. See them there? Give them a little mixer. Fill up a bit of your olive oil, tablespoon of that. Now we're just going to add our egg a little bit at a time. You don't want to get it too wet because you never know, the size of the eggs might differ. Just a little bit at a time. Incorporate that. We're going to make the dough. We're not going to use a machine. We're going to do it with our bare hands, old school Italian mama style. You get me? Jeez. Next thing you want to do is just keep adding your egg in. Add and mix. Add and mix until it starts to form a dough. See it there? Yeah. Yeah, man. Now, this is after about 10 minutes of kneading. Just make sure you get all them little sticky bits from around the edges. Don't add more egg than you need because it'll go all sloppy. Then you have to add flour and you just mess up the ratios of the thing. See it there? Workable. Now, onto a work surface or chopping board with flour if you like, but I didn't need it. And you just want to get it. I didn't need it, but I am needing it. And what I need you to do is click that subscribe button. See what I did there? Now, once it's all incorporated, dust your work side with flour. We're going to roll her out. No machine blood. Little bit of extra flour. Don't be scared. It will not break. If you've mixed your dough and kneaded your dough correctly, it won't break. It won't shake, baby. It's going to be lovely. Now, you want to stretch this as thin as you possibly can. Yeah? Very thin. See it there all starting to ripple? It shouldn't tear. See how thin I've got it there? Lovely, that's how much you want it all. They see me rolling, they eating. Next level things, blood. We're making pasta. There's nothing getting pasta. Now, once it's nice and thin, you'll be able to see how you can work with it and pull it and push it and grab it. See? Nice and thin like that. Boom. Follow us on Insta and do your thing. Now, ravioli. No, tortellinis. We're going to cut some circles. Yeah, I didn't have a cutter, so I used an empty tin of mushy peas. Sue me. Get yourself a tray with flour on the side. Now, there's our filling. Some water to make it stick. That's your glue. Now, you're just going to pipe on a little bit in the centre. See it there? Oh, it's satisfying, isn't it? Mad thing. Now, these are the tortellinis first and foremost. You want to wet a semicircle. This will soak into the pasta and it will help them stick so they don't go all weird and come apart and leak into your water. It's a long thing, blood. Now, you just want to fold over towards the water. Let me zoom in. See it there? Squash out any air, make a little patty, and then you underneath, twist together, squeeze. Just make sure that outer edge is nice and sealed. See it there? Tortellini. I'll show you again. Boom. Pipe, Pied Piper. Nice and smooth. This is a jerk chicken filling I made. You can make cheese and chive. You could make a nice seafood one or a crab one or anything you want. Fill it. Make sweet ones. Fill them with chocolate. It'd be sick either way. There, your semicircle, then round, and then squeeze. It's that easy, man. I show you again and again and again so you can get it. Just make sure there's no air in there or little to no air in there, and then you come round. Pretty sick. Pretty nice little starter and them things there. I'll show you again. I'm going to show you again and again and again until you get it. You get me? Yeah, man. Jesus. Squash, squash. See it there. No air. Flip around and boom. Tortellini. Job's a good one. It's tasty, baby. Next, we're going to make the ravioli. So you cut out your circles again. Pipe on your mixture. Bit more this time because we're not going to fold over. We're going to put another one on top. Yeah? So it's quite full. You want a nice full one. Get your water round. Dab it all the way around this time. Yeah, man. Pasta is peng. It's even penger when you make it, man. It's so tasty. Make sure your water's on all the way round. Then get your disc. Just make sure it's the same size. Make sure it's nice and flat. And then boom. Squash out your air. And there's your ravioli or raviolo or whatever you want to call it, man. That's your ravioli. And again. And again and again. And again and again till you got it done again. I have lately been making a lot of pasta. And I've got to say, it's incredible. The texture's so much nicer. The taste is so much nicer. Like, it's just got that. Even the fresh pasta you buy at the supermarket ain't got the same thing. Now, we're going to make a bit of tagliatelle. Hey. So we're going to need that and then roll it out again, nice and thin. Remember how thin we had it? This is a sick pasta. No messing, so nice. I have actually made a few pasta dishes with this, so subscribe and I'll release them soon. You want to roll it round and then chop, chop, chop the thickness. See it there? So you're folding it over and then you're slicing it to the thickness you want it. Well, the width you want it. So it's totally up to you if you want it wider, if you want it smaller to make more of a linguine, if you want to make, yeah, it's just peng, yeah? You can even use this like noodles, man, in a stir fry or anything like that. It's bad. It's bad, I'm telling you. It's so sick. You're just going to slice her consistently through. See it there? Tagliatelle, my friend. It just feels right. It just feels right to make it from scratch. It just feels good. Look, tagliatelle. Sick, mate. Lovely pasta! Yeah, man. Extra flour on there just to stop it all sticking together. You know how we roll. That was a bit cooked. Filling in there nicely. Steamy. Without a machine, baby. There's no messing. There's no messing involved. Now you can store this in the fridge. You can cook it straight away. You can freeze it, cook it from frozen. It no matter. There's something ton up. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like the thing. You know what to do. Love you. Oh yeah, before you go, watch another video. Search on Insta, Flava_station. Watch that playlist there. Subscribe in the middle. There's a video you might like on the left too. So thanks for watching, Flava Chasers. Love you. Bye.